Homeowners in McLean understand the importance of maintaining a comfortable indoor environment throughout Virginia's changing seasons. From humid summers to chilly winters, your windows play a critical role in regulating indoor temperatures and managing energy costs. Sliding windows, in particular, offer a combination of modern design and impressive energy efficiency that makes them an excellent choice for McLean homes. If you're considering upgrading your windows, understanding how sliding windows can reduce energy loss and improve comfort will help you make a confident, informed decision. Improved insulation for year-round comfort. Energy-efficient sliding windows are designed with advanced insulation features that minimize heat transfer. High-quality frames, often made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, provide better thermal resistance than older aluminum frames. When paired with double or triple pane glass, these windows create a strong barrier against outdoor temperatures. In winter, this means less heat escaping from your home. In summer, it means reduced heat entering your living space. The result is a more consistent indoor temperature and less strain on your HVAC system. For McLean homeowners, where seasonal temperature swings can be significant, this improved insulation translates directly into greater year-round comfort. Reduced energy bills. One of the most noticeable benefits of installing energy-efficient sliding windows is the potential for lower utility bills. When your home maintains temperature more effectively, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard or run as long. Over time, this efficiency can lead to meaningful cost savings. Instead of constantly adjusting your thermostat to stay comfortable, your home maintains a stable environment naturally. Many homeowners find that window upgrades are among the most impactful energy improvements they can make. Sliding windows are especially effective because their simple design reduces potential air leakage. With fewer moving parts compared to some other window styles, there are fewer areas where drafts can develop when properly installed and maintained. Advanced glass technology. Modern sliding windows often feature energy-saving glass technologies such as low emissivity coatings and argon or krypton gas fills between panes. These features significantly improve thermal performance. Low-E coatings reflect heat back into your home during winter while blocking excessive solar heat in summer. Gas fills add another layer of insulation by reducing heat transfer between panes. Together, these enhancements help maintain a comfortable indoor climate regardless of outdoor conditions. For homes in McLean with large window openings or abundant natural light, this technology allows you to enjoy expansive views without sacrificing efficiency. Airtight seals and reduced drafts. Older windows often develop gaps, worn seals, or warped frames that allow air infiltration. Even small drafts can undermine your home's energy performance. High-quality sliding windows are built with precision-engineered tracks and weather stripping that create a tight seal when closed. When installed correctly, they help eliminate drafts, cold spots near windows, and moisture intrusion. This not only boosts energy efficiency but also enhances overall comfort, especially in living rooms, bedrooms, and home offices where temperature consistency matters most. Maximize natural light without energy loss. Sliding windows are known for their wide glass areas and clean, horizontal operation. They allow generous natural light into your home, which can reduce your reliance on artificial lighting during the day. With energy-efficient glazing, you don't have to worry about that natural light increasing indoor heat. Instead, you benefit from bright, inviting interiors while maintaining excellent thermal performance. For McLean homeowners who value both aesthetics and efficiency, sliding windows offer the best of both worlds: expansive views and smart energy management. Long-term value for your home. Upgrading to energy-efficient sliding windows isn't just about immediate comfort, it's also a long-term investment. Improved efficiency can enhance your home's resale appeal, as buyers increasingly look for properties with lower operating costs and modern features. Additionally, reduced wear and tear on your HVAC system can extend its lifespan, saving you money on maintenance and replacement over time. A smart upgrade for McLean Living sliding windows provide a practical, stylish, and energy-conscious solution for homes in McLean. With superior insulation, advanced glass options, airtight sealing, and reduced energy consumption, they help create a comfortable indoor environment while keeping utility costs under control. If you're looking to enhance your home's efficiency without compromising design, sliding windows are a smart upgrade that delivers lasting benefits.